Hi, this is Robert. This is going to be a quick video on how to use the Wolters and Wolff highlighted details tools in Bluebeam. So in the past, we've done this in OST, and we've made a nice new tool set for Bluebeam to make it a lot easier in Bluebeam and not have to deal with the printing issues we've had with OST in the past. So you can click and add the legend to your page, hit escape to not add another. And then you can come over here to our three different colored highlighting tools and start highlighting. You can click and drag rectangles, as well as clicking off points, switch between the red, yellow, and green tools. As you can see, when I use the tool, it stays activated so that I can highlight again if I'd like, over and over again. If yours is not doing that, you need to come up to Review, Preferences, and under the Tools tab here, there's a checkbox, Reuse Tool. So check this box and the tool will stay active for you. Besides doing just simple rectangles, you can also click off points just like you could in OST. So if I wanted to show specifically that I was including this break shape as an alternate, I can click off very specific points. Bluebeam does a good job at snapping to points for you. And then once you get to the end, you can double click and close it off. This is going to give us a much cleaner, easier way to do this. It prints a lot better. It's easier to see. You don't get all the hatch marks from OST. I think it's a good improvement for us. Thanks for watching.